Okay, mga kababayan, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ito po, pag-usapan natin itong committee na appropriations budget briefing hearing of the Office of the Vice President, no? Na kung saan nga mga kababayan hindi sinipot na VP Sara Duterte itong mga congressman na to, kaya medyo delikado na naman talaga dito yung kanyang budget. Ito, ang kanyang kakampi ito ng mga Duterte, itong si Marcoleta. Ito po si Marcoleta, mga kababayan, ay nag-motion po ito ng terminate daw. Nag-motion siya ng terminate at ngayon po pinagbutuhan. Nakakatawa dito. Tatlo lang yung pamabor sa motion ni Marcoleta. Tatlo. Tapos yung hindi pumabor, 45. Siyempre, di ba, sino bang masusunod? Ang boto kasi dyan sa loob ng Kongreso, padamihan. Kung wala ka naman dyang kakampi, ay hindi ka dapat pwede magsiga-sigaan dyan. Diba? Ito, pakinggan natin yung motion ni Marcoleta. Ay ang gusto niya, wag na pag-usapin, wag na raw pag-usapan yung kung ano pa man yung mga itatanong ng mga congressman dito kay VP Sara Duterte. Yan ang sinasabi dito ni congressman dahil tradition daw. Tradition? So ibig sabihin, papayag ka, Marcoleta, na kung ikaw ay maging Vice President, di ba? Halimbawa, kung ikaw ay maging Vice President, pwede ka na pala gumastos ng gumastos na hindi nalalaman namin, na hindi ka na pwede tanungin. Diba? Yun lang naman. Ito, pakinggan natin, mga kababayan.
You're now recognized.
Salamat po, Madam Chair. Yung hindi po pagdating ng ating pangalawang Pangulo ngayon, ang suspecha ko po ay dahil sa nangyari na mga pagtatanong nung nakaraang pagdinig. I have heard the volume and the barrage of questions asked by members of this committee to the Vice President. Despite the fact, Madam Chair, I heard her several times saying, I forgo the opportunity of defending the OVP budget for 2025 by question and answer, and I leave it to the House of Representatives to decide on such proposal as presented. That was the template of an answer given by the Office of the Vice President. Madam Chair, napilitan po akong mag-raise ng parliamentary inquiry. I think I have earned this. If I survive my term up to next year, I would have survived also, or I would have completed 18 years in this institution. And in this length of time, I have observed a tradition. The tradition is the two highest positions of government, namely the Office of the Vice President and the Office of the President, are not traditionally subjected to questions. I have observed this for so long a time. May I refresh the memory of the members of this committee, Madam Chair. In 2022, the Minority Leader, Honorable Libanan, citing courtesy to the Office of the Vice President, took only about 13 minutes to move for determination of the budget of the Vice President. And after that, the Majority Leader seconded the motion. That was 2022, Madam Chair. Then 2023, no less than the presidential son, our own Senior Deputy Majority Leader, the Honorable Sandro Marcos, stood up na invoke the long-honored tradition of according courtesy to the OBP, the Office of the Vice President. And in the same manner, he moved for determination of the Office of the Budget, the consideration of the budget of the Office of the President, Vice President. I also recall, Madam Chair, that
Ito yata yung pinadala ni VP Sara Duterte, si Marcolita. Siya na lang yung pina-attend.
it was terminated. And with the full consternation of Honorable Franz Castro, who then objected, but her objections were never heard until she moved to make up record by way of manifestation her objection. But the committee collectively said, you can no longer do that because there was already a termination of the hearing. This is the time-honored tradition, Madam Chair. For so long a time, we have kept and observed this. We have upheld this tradition. My question is this committee authorized to set aside or discard the tradition? That is the question.
Your Honor, such motion was not introduced in the last hearing.
I'm now introducing the motion, Madam Chair.
I second, Madam Chair.
To terminate the consideration of the budget of the Vice President, Madam Chair, on the basis of the long and time-honored tradition, Madam Chair. In order for us to respect a tradition in the same manner that we have respected the tradition here that the first to interpolate every time is the member of the minority. That is the tradition. We have not yet discarded that. We're observing that because we are honorable members of this Congress. So the question is, why have we discarded that tradition? Is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? If we are not able to do that, Madam Chair, then I honorably, respectfully now move to terminate consideration of the budget of the Office of the Vice President, and I so move.
Second, Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Madam Chairman, Madam Chair, Madam Chair,
Move and seconded.
Session suspended.
Nag-motion si Kung Marcolita dito na terminate daw yung pag-uusisa dito sa budget ng OBP. Kaya ang mangyayari ngayon, pagbubutuhan po nila yan kung sino ang pabor o hindi pabor, mga kababayan. Apo, ngayon po mga kababayan, ang sa akin lang naman, itong motion kasi ni Kung Marcolita, no? Parang ang sinasabi niya dito, yung kaugalian. Yung kaugalian. Parang ang hirap naman yata nun. Na yung kaugalian na hindi inuusisa kung paano ginastos, ganun ba yun? Diba parang ang hirap naman, ang hirap naman paniwalaan nun, di ba? Ang hirap naman yata intindihin na yung kaugalian na yun ay wala nang tanungan, di ba? Wala nang tanungan pa. Ganon, basta bigyan agad ng budget, parang ganon. Di ba? Samantala ang daming napupuna sa OBP. Di ba? Nakakalungkot lang na may mga ganyan pala tayo, mga congressman, no? May mga ganyan pala tayo. Tingnan mo, ito. Pag bubutuhan nila dito mga kababayan, medyo nag-uusap-usap pa sila, no? Ayan. Nag-uusap-usap pa sila kung sino yung papabor at saka hindi papabor. Ayan. Suspend daw yan ng 1 minute. Suspension. Suspend 1 minute. Nag-uusap-usap sila off-air. Kung ano ang gagawin dito. Ngayon mga kababayan, pagbalik nila, i-announce na po yan ni, ang ano dito ang chair ng committee dito, itong si Representative Kimbo. Kimbo ng Kimbo ba to? Ng Marikina. Siya po yung chairman dyan sa committee na yan, mga kababayan. Medyo nagtatalo-talo sila dito. Off air. Nagtatalo-talo po sila, mga kababayan. Taasan ng turuan, ganyan, parang gawe-awe na sila. Ayan. Ang problema kasi dito, mga kababayan, marami yung gustong malaman kung saan napunta yung budget ng OBP. Yun lang naman Hindi naman nila sinasabi dito na wag bigyan ng budget yung OBP. Ang gusto lang nila malaman, saan napunta. Lalong-lalo na dahil naglabas ng pahayag ang COA. Naglabas ng pahayag ang COA, mga kababayan, na tungkol dito sa 73 million na hindi pa na-audit, pinababalik ng COA. Yan ang mabigat yan. Maganda sana kung hindi nagsalita yung COA. Ito, tuloy na yata, mga kababayan. Pakinggan natin. Umuupo na sila. Sa nakikita natin, mukhang nagkakagulo sila, mga kababayan. Oy, Vice President Sara Duterte, dahil sa iyo, nagkakagulo yung mga congressman. Grabe naman na hindi mo ba naisip yun? Di sana umatin ka na lang, di natapos na sana. Nagkakagulo yung mga congressman. May kahit pa paano, may kumakampi sa inyo. Pero marami pa rin talaga ang hindi kumakampi dito. Kailangan pag-usapan yung mga budget niyan. Si Marcolita dito yung nangunguna sa kabila. Sinisigundahan siya ng mga katabi. Ito, pakinggan na natin. Magbubutuhan na sila, mga kababayan, kung sino yung lamang o hindi. Pero ang alam ko dito, 45 yung hindi pumabor sa motion ni Marcolita. 3 lang ang pumabor. Ito. Babalik na pa sila, mga kababayan. Ayan. Ano na si Marcolita. Alam niyo, di ako magtataka dito kung itong si Marcolita susunod na makakasuhan. Ito, forward na nga lang natin, tagal forward natin ng konti.
The Honorable Marcoleta, please repeat your inquiry.
Yes, in connection to the earlier parliamentary inquiry, Madam Chair, I have already related the value of tradition. Parliamentary procedures, Madam Chair, grow from or are enriched by traditions, experiences, and precedents collectively gathered by the House of Representatives over years, and the institution keeps them well. That is why, from my entry in 2004 or the 13th Congress until today, I have observed the observance of that well-kept tradition. The two highest positions in government, namely the office of the President and the office of the Vice President, were duly accorded with respect and deference. I have observed that. That's why I have relayed to you earlier in 2022, the Honorable Libanan invoking courtesy, took him only 13 minutes to dispose the office of the Vice President. And that was quickly seconded by no less than our majority leader. That was in 2022. I'm not going by record, Madam Chair. 2023, I said, no less than the presidential son, our own senior deputy majority leader, stood up and said that in line with the time-honored tradition of according courtesy to the office of the Vice President, I move to terminate the budget briefing of the OBP. And I can recall the Honorable Castro strongly objected. No, that's in 2023. This is by the record. And she objected, but her objections were rejected by the committee because the committee already terminated the proceedings. And she kept on requesting, Madam Chair, that she makes at least her manifestation. And she was unable to do that because the proceedings were terminated. So that, what I am saying, from 2004, when I entered these halls, these hallowed halls, hanggang punto sa sinasabi kong 2023, we have kept the tradition. Ngayon po, kung ano-ano ng mga tanong ang ginawa, in 2023, 22 minutes, 2022, 13 minutes. Ito po, pinagawa yan na po yung budget earlier at ngayon we're about to quarrel again on the budget. Ang tanong ko nga po ngayon, dahil nga po sa nangyayari ngayon sa budget ng Office of the Vice President, and despite her manifestation that she will no longer defend her budget because she forgo, sabi niya, I will forgo my opportunity to defend the budget of the OBP for 2025 by way of question and answer, and I will leave to the House of Representatives to decide such proposal as presented. We cannot even accept such kind of answer, Madam Chair. What do we need her to articulate for? So ang pinag-uusapan po natin, wala na po ba yung respeto sa tradisyon na yun? Kagaya po ng binabanggit ko, every time mag-i-interpellate po dito, Madam Chair, because of that tradition, it's always the member of the minority who will start the interpellation because we have kept that tradition.
Nakakaantok ka, Marcolita.
Ang dami na po sasabihin sa inyo, haba lang tayo. So the question is, when we did that to the Vice President earlier, now we're doing it now, are we now setting aside this tradition? That's number one question. Number two, is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition?
Your Honor, short answer is no to both questions.
Okay. If that is the answer, Madam Chair, and we are all bound to respect one tradition so sacred in our hearts, because we are called honorables in this house. We cannot be honorables if we cannot honor our own tradition. We are defined by what we believe as a tradition in this house. So if we are now all amenable that we have kept that tradition, no longer questions are being asked, then I will respectfully move, Madam Chair, to terminate the budget of the OBP for 2025.
I object, Madam
Thank
Chair.
you.
I object.
Madam Chair, I
There's
object.
a motion to terminate the budget briefing of the OVP, but there's an objection, so we divide the House. The Chair has decided to divide the House. So those
Madam Chair,
in favor
as
of the motion,
a rule, we usually deliberate
Those-
before we vote.
those in favor
We deliver-
of the motion, please raise your hand. Those in favor of the motion to terminate the budget briefing of the OVP, please raise your hand.
Tatlo lang.
Those who are not in favor of terminating, raise your hand.
Jesus, marusip ang dami. 45. Nahirapan magbilang siya, no? Ala, dami. Ala, bilang.
Three in favor, 45 against.
Motion is
The motion
lost.
is
Lost.
lost.
Madam Chair, I thought we had kept the tradition.
Talo si Marcolita, mga kababayan, ha. Yung kanyang motion to terminate ay natalo po siya. 3 lang po ang pumabor dito sa motion ni Marcolita. 45 po yung hindi pumabor. Ibig sabihin, mga kababayan, ang 45 ng mga congressman na to ay sila po yung mga gusto malaman kung saan napunta yung budget ng OVP, ng Office of the Vice President na si VP Sara Duterte. Opo, ganun po sila karami, mga kababayan. At siyempre, ang taong bayan gusto rin talaga malaman kung saan napunta. Okay? Kaya ayun, mga kababayan, talo po si Marcolita, mga kababayan.